I'm sure. Today we are discussing some tests for the identification of phenol. Okay, this distinction between alcohols and phenols. First test is a litmus test. As we all know that acidic species convert blue litmus to red. When tested with phenols, what is happening? That is, phenols are sufficiently acidic in nature. Hence, it converts blue litmus to red. Okay. Phenols are acidic in nature. Hence, phenol convert blue litmus to red. Okay. Whereas alcohol have no such reaction. Okay. It is not such acidic in nature. Okay. The second test is it's very common. It is action with neutral ferric chloride. Okay. Neutral is when treated with neutral ferric chloride solution. Phenols yield a violet or blue or green or reddish color. Okay, mainly it is violet in color. Okay, due to the formation of complex. Okay, alcohols have no such reaction with neutral ferric chloride solution. Okay, phenol when treated with neutral ferric chloride solution, it is giving violet in color. Violet color. But alcohol have no such reaction with neutral ferric chloride solution. That is, this action with neutral ferric chloride is one of the common reactions that we are conducting in our laboratory. Okay. Now, third one is the Brahmin water test. Brahmin water test. That is when shaken with the Brahmin water, phenol yield a precipitate of bromo derivative. Okay, phenol yield a white precipitate of bromo derivative, but alcohols have no such reaction with bromine water. Okay, there's a bromine derivative is formed. Phenol yield a bromine derivative which is white in color, that it gives white precipitate with bromine water. But alcohol have no such reaction with bromine water. Okay, we can identify alcohol from phenol from all these tests. Litmus test, action with neutral ferric chloride, bromine water. Now next is the Lieberman reaction. That is Lieberman-Nitroso reaction that we had already discussed in my previous video, Lieberman-Nitroso reaction. That is Lieberman's nitroso reaction. That is when what is the reagent of Lieberman-Nitroso reaction? That is sodium nitrite and concentrated sulfuric acid. When warmed with sodium nitrite and concentrated sulfuric acid, phenol develop a deep blue coloration which turns red on pouring water into it. Okay. And the deep blue coloration is retained by adding excess of alkali, NaOH. This part we had already discussed in my previous video. I am not going in detail with this. This phenol when reacted with sodium nitrite and H2SO4, just warmed with sodium nitrate and H2SO4, deep blue coloration. which is due to the formation of a complex. Okay. And while adding water, it gives red color, and this red color, this blue color is retained while adding excess of alkali. Okay. Okay, this is Lieberman-Nitroso reaction, one of the identification tests for phenol. Okay. But alcohols, what about alcohols? Any reaction with this reagent, sodium nitrate H2SO4? No. Alcohols have no reaction, no such reactions. Okay. Now, last one is the Thalian reaction. It is when heated with phthalic anhydride about 150 degrees Celsius. When heated with phthalic anhydride. Thalian reaction. Is when phenol, when heated with phthalic anhydride. Phenol when heated with phthalic anhydride about 150 degrees Celsius and a few drops of concentrated H2SO4 is poured. Okay, and a few drops of concentrated H2SO4 is added and then poured into an excess of 10% NaOH solution. That is phenol. First of all, phenol is mixed with phthalic anhydride and concentrated H2SO4 is added, and this solution is poured into excess of NaOH solution taken in a beaker. That first of all we are taking an NaOH solution, excess of NaOH solution in a beaker, and we are mixing phenol with phthalic anhydride and concentrated H2SO4, and this mixture is poured into that beaker containing what? NaOH solution. Is a fluorescent is developed. That is phenol yield a red or bluish purple color. That is greenish yellow fluorescence. That is actually greenish yellow fluorescence is developed. That is the identification, or this is the confirmatory test for alcohols that we are doing in the laboratory. That is confirmatory test for phenols. Confirmatory test for phenols. Greenish yellow actually it is a greenish yellow fluorescence. Okay, but what about alcohol? No such reaction with phthalic anhydride. Okay, but phenol give greenish yellow fluorescence. Okay, greenish yellow fluorescence. These are the identification tests for phenols, that is, or distinction between phenols and alcohols. We can identify or confirm phenols from alcohol from all these tests. That is, alcohols are not reacting with all these litmus test, new action with neutral ferric chloride, bromine water test, or with Lieberman-Nitroso reaction or Thalian reaction. Alcohol is not responding with all these reagents, but phenol is exactly giving some reaction and giving some precipitate or color. Okay, so we can identify phenol from alcohols. Okay, this is all about distinction between alcohols and phenols. Hope you all got it. Okay, thank you.